Okay. Hi everyone, Mo from Cycle Garden. It's a beautiful August day out here. It's a little after, it's about 8:15 in the morning. It's only 95 degrees. So we're a little sweaty today. We decided to do this shoot out back. This is the dirty area of the shop. We got the buffers and the blaster and all that stuff back here. This is where we do all the dirty stuff so it doesn't get inside the shop. Anyways, I wanted to talk about this bike. We originally built for Kevin Fox, and that was back in 2006, and back at our shop in Huntington Beach. He's had it all this time. He decided he wanted to sell it a few months ago, and Scott in Texas bought this bike. So we're getting ready to ship it out in a few days, so we just thought we'd do a video of it. So this originally was done, this is the original paint that we shot in 2006. And this was a medium metallic blue. And we recently did that gray frame one. We did the same color with the gray frame for Brian. And this is where we sampled that color from. So I still had some samples of it. I still had the color code for it. So Brian liked that blue color. We did it with the Battleship gray frame. So it was kind of in a weird way, a copy of this bike. This is a 73.5 Eldorado police bike. It's got the 4-leading shoe brake. And we put on wicks and bags. We restored these wicks and bags, stripped everything off, repolished it, painted it, and pinstriped it. So Kevin's kept it up in really, really good condition. And we just thought we'd show you guys the color, see if you guys like it. So, let us know if you like it. Lindy Lou will come on up and we'll do some close-ups of this thing. So yeah, there's the bags. They still look good. I mean, Kevin really kept this thing pristine and in his garage, and it's nice to see something that you did 20 years ago still stand the test of time. So yeah, nice looking. Show them the dash and all that. It's a nice color. So yeah, it's got the Tomaselli black and white grips on it. Just a nice looking bike. Let's see what the inside of the bags look like, Lindy Lou.
Let's see.
Oh, they got stuff in there. Whatever, I like bags. You could put all your crap in them. Jacket. We got a lot of crap. All right, so there we go. Let me see. I don't know what else. This is 73.5. This, as we've had another one in here. I think we had Mark Love's bike in here a few months ago. So show them the hub. This brake, this 4-leading shoe brake, they took from the V7 Sport, and they made the fork tubes. The spread of the front forks is wider. So they put wider gussets on them to fit that brake. But that's where that brake came. It's a nice brake. If it gets wet, it's not nice, but other than that, it's really a nice brake. What else? What else can we talk about on this thing? Still has Mac mufflers on it. We got these valve covers. So let's show them these valve covers. So Moto Guzzi started doing this late 73 and 74. This was all rough cast on the valve covers, and then they just polished this area. So they did that later. 72s, this was all polished. This part here was still raised. Before that, it was smooth. And then before that, they got rid of these they didn't have these gussets. They put these gussets on for the V7 Sport. So a little bit of Moto Guzzi history there. But she still looks good. Chrome patch still looks good. Look at the chrome patch there, Lindy Lou. Yeah. All right. We've been riding it, but we didn't want to do a full video today because it's just too damn hot, and I don't want to get my lily white skin. I don't want to get it overheated. Let's see how it sounds here. I want to thank you guys for checking out the video. If you got any questions on vintage Moto Guzzis, give us a call, 760-972-4800. You can email me direct, moe@cyclegarden.com. And thank you again for looking at our video. We appreciate it. Let's see how this sounds on a short run here.